Sibai ule India Eastern Territory a tunkar chunga Salvation Army rongbol na chansin thar ilongai tha ang u Commissioner Lalzam Lavale Lieutenant Colonel SP Simon Tetsuan Governance chungchang zirho na nei turin March ni somni paruk sang ni som pakwa khan Singapore an pan he governance chungchang zirho na nei tur hi International Secretary for Accountability and Governance Commissioner Robert Donaldsonan aman puyang Hein khom na hian territory chanzel na na thil poimo tak zirho ani dona he zirho na hian ni thum chung March ni somni pasari achanga ni somni pakwa au anga March ni somthum sa ni som pakwa a territorial leader te hi Singapore achanga lo ho in April ni khat sa ni som pakwa a aizol an lo thleng le ang Kumsani Sompariata Mizoram University in Master of Science result ati chwa Mizoram Puma Mathematics ang pahni na latu lalyan dinga thingfal court soy moina in khom chu March ni somni panga sangni sompakwa zan khan Territorial SAY Council buat sain lalyan dinga loina Bramthar Kor biak ina SAY in khoma nei ania Territorial SAY Council mingin citation le incentive cash award tangkafai lan ani pathian thu cha thatak mai Captain Kero hlupuya TYS in asoibok incentive cash award hi pusilal pek liana te chungkwa zonuam korten antum ani March ni somni pariat sangni sompakwa hian Salvation Army India Eastern Territory Community Health Action Network Anti-Human Trafficking Project 1 Training on Anti-Modern Day Slavery THQ le DHQ Central South le Central North Division Officer te pualin abuat saya he training a hian thupui shang Mizoram Scenario on Modern Day Slavery AHT Project Program and Challenges Church Response to the Modern Slavery ate participation mangin training hi kalpui ani resource persona Major Lalyan Kunga Program Director Chan AHT Project Puvanal Shwaya Program Manager Chan AHT Project Le Pujoj Zonun Sanga Chan AHT Project Facilitator te man anni Training hi Commissioner Nui TPWM in Honna le Hunser amang he training a hian mishing mga sumdo na diklovin zoram mipuite min khoidan le chumi atana trafficker hote che dante mimal le ramin human trafficking kantor theidan te le inven na theide zir ho ani tin mishing mga sumdo na diklo lakaram le mipui himna tura kaushanin ati ve theite soiho le zir ho ani bok ani Lieutenant Colonel Zothan Moya Program Secretary in Training Program Kharna hun mangin pathian hena chongchain hun top asiam Salvation Army Women's Ministries Sansin Bu Chunun Par Board chu March ni somni paruk sangni sompakwa khan THQ boardroom an chukhoma he hi kumsangni sompakwa achanga sangni somni tam board meeting masaber ni in tuna hian board member sompariat anom mek ani board meeting a hian April achanga June sangni sompakwa issue tur thuziakte en hawin an thlang chunun par chansin bu hi thathum dana achhuak china zia ka mei chalam rongbol na peng poimo tak pakhat ani General Brian Pedal kai shwaina hnuaya March ni somni pakwa achanga ni somthum pakhat sangni sompoka chung hian Khovel Pum Salvation Army te chuan kumma sablama anlo manchin Children and Youth Weekend amang turin International Headquarters achangin ruwa manna siam anilea he weekend atana thupui chu tumna ro pui tak neila chongchai chungin beiro ti ni in Bible in hana chu FSC bungthum chang somni achanga chang somni pakhat ani he weekend kaltlang hian Salvation Army chuan no pangtele chalai de chu annuna pathian atel zelani ti le ama china nena annun kong tin reng mang turin afuya pathian chu engkim ti thei ani ziate kan be se le ngai tu aina sa le kan dil aina sa zokin minti sak thei tu ani ti shatir atuma kumsang ni sompakwa Children and Youth Weekend chu ni som chongchai be pui nei turin International Headquarters chuan ruang manna asiama India Eastern Territory Kole Society tele Center shangshanga he chongchai na hi zomve ania hengba ka hian Children and Youth Weekend chung hian no pangle chalai de polin inti himnate biakin in khom le khotlang rombol na neya midang te chanpui na te buat sai ani March ni somni panga sangni sompakwa khan Territorial Outreach Mission Board meeting THQ boardroom nei ania council hi Commissioner Lalzam Lava Territorial Commander in Kaishwain biakin le Soldier of Cross le Evangelist Teacher te quarters sak le siam chat ngai mamo dil na ron lut te Soldier of Cross le Evangelist Teacher Outreach Field mamo dil na ron lut te ngai tua ani Salvation Army Nuaya Thok officers in Sontur te chu an bial kor le institution te chuan March ni som thum pakhat sang ni som pakwa pathian ni hian thana hun an mangang an nathar hi April ni khat sang ni som pakwa hian an zum anga lom na inkhom hi April ni sari sang ni som pakwa a bial kor le institution te hian an buat sayang Khovel huapa chandam na sipai pol rongbol na peng poimo tak pakhat no pang te ven himna International Child Protection Conference 2019 chu William Booth College Londona March ni somni paruk achang ni somni paria chung khan nei ani he conference poimo tak hi sipai polin no pang ven himna chungchang ma alak mek na ti chakna turle ruam man na thar nei na tura buat sai ani Conference General Brian Petal Swan Hun Bulchan Puin Hun Kharna International Headquarters a Chief of the Staff Commissioner Lyndon Buckingham ka ishwaina in nei anibok India Eastern Territory achangin Captain Kelal Rinpuya Divisional Commander Himalayan Division chu palai ni in akala paper presentation nei tura ruat ani angin India Eastern Territory in ma alak na shang tarla na nein discussion session a panel a chubok Conference sa hian zone shang palai somthum pakwa le kaushan pon lama changin resource person chimtu an ombok International Theological Council Sunbury Court London na nei zota ka India Eastern Territory achangin council member Puke Zongming Thanga MTH po atel Territorial Headquarters Officers 10 tunkar chungin hetiang hian hun an mangang Major K. Vanal Som Thanga, Financial Secretary chu March ni somthum pakhat sang ni som pakwa chandam na inkhoma Central COBL Huap Children and Youth Weekend Program Central Kora hun amangang Captain K. Rohlupuya Territorial Youth Secretary chu March ni somni pakwa sang ni som pakwa hian Children and Youth Weekend Program Bethlehem Kora hun amangang Captain Charles Salrimoya, Territorial Children's Officer chu Children and Youth Weekend Programa hetiang hian hun amangang March ni somthum sang ni som pakwa Day Camp Kanan Kor March ni somthum pakhat sang ni som pakwa Choma le Zan Aizol Temple Kora March ni somthum pakhat sang ni som pakwa Chonu Bethlehem Kora Central North Division SOY Council in Futsal Tournament abuat sai kalmek zela March ni somni pariat sang ni som pakwa Zirtop Zan Khan Chan Mari Wai Mehola Pu Andrew H Thangliana MLA Cholmun Kor chuan kick off na nein hun aman pui ani Central North Division SOY achangin team somnga panga antil dona loman hi pakhatna cheng sing li ni in pahni na cheng sing ni ani April ni ruk sang ni som pakwa achanga me ni som ni pathum sang ni som pok chung hian he tournament hi nei ani anga he futsal tournament athupui chu taksa ril ru tharau shisel ti ani Territorial Evangelical Ministry Speaker tele an team te chuan tunkar chung khan hetiang hian rongbol na an nei Event WC Lalding heta Full Gospel Team Ngun Lingkhwa Kora Event Lal Thanza Masha Sel Bethesda Team Ser Chip Kora Event Lal Ngak Liana Sinners Friend Team ITI Kora Event Lal Man Kima Pathian Totorot Team Tlang Nuam Kora Division Lam Chanchin Tharat Chuan Southern Division Aram Thar COBL Shwai Tu Te Chuan March ni somni pali sang ni som pakwa cholni mangin Vai Sam Society an tloa rongbol na chatak an nei Soldier of Cross Quarters aman turin syntax liter sangkhat dong an pengal bok biakinale muala rongbol na chatak an nei ani March ni somni pali sang ni som pakwa vekhan LOM Lunglei Court te chuan Lunglei District Jaila rongbol na an neya Major Lalram lian an namte DC in Pathian thutsa nung tak asoya jaila tang mekten Tharau mal somna andong na sa hle tin LOM te hian jail tang mek te eyatan arsa kezi somthum an pebok Division SAY General Council in Alaurel to angin Southern Division chunga kor sang sang te chuan March ni somni panga sang ni som pakwa khan zanchen vechong chai hun an manga chalai ten an hlok puin zong changtlak an ti hle he hun hi Major Larin puya DYS chuan lunglei kora aman pui ani Lunglei Kor SAY te chuan March ni somni pathum sang ni som pakwa khan Division SAY Action Plan angin Finance Training an neya Resource Person a Captain Richard Vanal ngaka bial to CO le DHQ Accountant ni bokchu an manga chalai ten an hlok pui hle SAY member pani tlangwala rin zwala Lunglei Bazar Kor le Nulami Milal Chan himi Lunglei Kor te Patna Bihara Mr. le Miss Physique Contest atel te chuan antel na category a champion ni na an hau ve ve a an lompui omin an chuan om hle Major Laram lian namte Divisional Commander le Major Larin puya Divisional Youth Secretary te chuan March ni somni pakwa achang ni som thum pakhat sang ni som pok chung hian hetiang hian audit and inspection an neyang March ni somni pakwa a thingfal kor le longtlai CO biala March ni som thuma siahab CO bial le tuipang CO bial siaha a tin inrin ni zan achanga pathian ni zan thlengin siaha kor le Mizoram Gospel Centenary Kor siaha a in khomin tharau lam rong bolna an nei bokang Major Laram lian namte le anupui Major Sila Chatpui DDWM te chuan Lunglei District Deputy Commissioner thar Pikelarin Zwali MCS chu office a tloin chongchai sakna an nei DC hian Easter Sunday a Lunglei Kor a in khoma tum thu alo shil ngala Divisional Commander Tanupa hi Captain Richard Vanal nga ka CO Lunglei bia le DHQ Accountant in achoi om ani Mizoram Gospel Centenary Kor SAY member te chuan March ni somni pathum khan Mizoram tlang sang ber phongpui tlang chipa lonin chongchai na hun an mang bial to CO Lieutenant Lal Engki Maroi te chuan lon puin Mizoram sipai pol le phongpui tlang in zom na te asoya sipai pol puan zar so phunin chongchai na an manghal ani Himalayan Division at chuan International Headquarters Botsai International Child Protection Conference March ni somni panga achanga ni somni pakwa sang ni som pokachung a Londona neya Captain Kelerin puya Divisional Commander chuan hun chatak ahman nu in March ni somthum sang ni som pokazana DHQ Siliguri aron thengang DC hian March ni somthum pakhat sang ni som pokwa pathian ni lo om tura hian Fatapukur Siobial Marapur Society tloin hun aman pui le anga he huna hian member Pola lomlu to te raldo na thutiam tiam tir na hun amangang Himalayan Division achanga officer kal chuak turte Major Jelian Khamale Major Varthan Tluangi Kohima bial to CO te chuan Commanding Officer Konpui bial Western Division a ruat na thar an mu awangin March ni somni pali sang ni sompokwa khan Kohima Kora thana hun man ania Captain Jerila Rosa Male Captain JK Zarzo Sangi Officer in Charge Home and School for the Deaf and Dumb Darjeeling bial to CO te poin DYS Superintendent Boys Home DSWM Superintendent Babies Home Eastern Division a ruat na thar an mu awangin March ni somthum pakhat sang ni sompakwa pathian ni hian Darjeeling Kora an mani thana hun man ani ang March ni somni pathum sang ni sompakwa khan Kohima Kor Home League te chuan Naga Heritage Kisama Huna Spiritual Day an mang pathian thu cha ngai thlak le soiho na te in chongchai sakna te le chongchai ho na te nein hun cha le hlok tak an mang March ni somni paruk sani sompakwa thole ni khan pangin Siobial Tarak Society a Children and Youth Program hun chatak man ani Captain Lalma Sanga bial to Siowin he hun hi kai shwain pathian thu cha puan chwana aneya mai cham ma in lanthar na le pathian pol ho na hun chatak man ani March ni somni panga sangni sompakwa thochan ni khan Fatapukur Kora YP te chuan Children and Youth Weekend pualin kuthem thiam na lam inzir tir na hun an manga March ni somni pasari sangni sompakwa nilai ni khan khotlang tan kongpui ti fai na tlang nein kongpui le ache available hlo omte phiat fain an natlang zanlama khochunga projector mangin iswa film an chwa bok Tripura District lama chuan March ni som pasari sang ni som pakwa khan Behliang Chief Court chuan calendar of events angin Kor Cadet Sunday an manga headquarters achangin program man dan tur duan lok angin he hun hi man ni in Captain S Lalrampuya DYO Tripura District chuan a man pui Kor Cadet Sunday chuma in khoma hian Kor Cadet Guardian Piboy chhuak kimin in khom kai shwain Kor Cadet ten an thutiam soirwal na hun an neya solo le timbrel display te ngai thlak le clear ho ani baka nulala rem diki batch of merit ne na changin Kor Cadet ka hlok puina ti thu ngai thlak ani bok Kor Cadet certificate semna te nei ani a Captain S Lalrampuya ne na changin Kor Cadet in kha na thupui mangin pathian thu cha nung tak ngai thlak ani a Behliang Chief Court chuan pathian ni kalta March ni som pasari sang ni som pakwa khan Tripura tlang sang ber thaidor tlanga pathian thu signboard antar action plan angin Behliang Chief Court member te hian Kor Cadet Sunday den senin thaidor tlanga hian hun an manga amun ma te tifain Bethel hun an mangbok he huna hian YP Kor le senior core member chanem tak an thok chuak ani Behliang Chief COBL action plan angin COBL chung center shanga crusade nei chunzom zel ani March ni somni pani achang ni somni pali sani sompok chung hian mong chuan kor a crusade hi nei le ni in pusilal vula Court Treasurer Behliang Chief Court chu speaker atan roi ani a ni somni pathum in rin ni hian Dr Zarem Thiama Core Literature Secretary te in pek na azara ti sarwai chenghal ani bok naktuk March ni somni pali pathian ni jing khian Hillcrest Medical te chuan mong chuana hian free clinic an nei dona damlo thanem tak enkol le damdoi pek turin in buat sai ani he crusade chang hian tharau le ti sadam na chang tam tak an oma hun hlim om tak man ho ani March ni somni pasari ni laini khan Blue Mount English School Behliang Chief te chuan Cultural Day hun hlim om tak an mang school le hostel no pangte achangin nam shang lam le zai en tir ani a school in charge officer ne na changte managing board member achangte le NGO shang achangte in thusoi chatak tak ngai thlak ani bok Blue Mount English School hian nam chi shang panga velai an oma Blue Mount hian masonara bithar akai zela school hostel le amun ma po nasataka chele siam that mek zel ani in rid ni masa khan kanchan chera court chuan veng chung mi pui ring lo mi te le member hla to te nu nai nan volleyball tournament abuat saya heta hian mi chanem tak an kal khom Hemizan vek hian loman semna le crusade chan ania projector mangin iswa chanchin in shil na hun man ania CO quarters kota cottage meeting nipa formin projector manga pathian thusoi na hun man ani bok he hun hi veng chung mi puin an hlut le a mitam tak pung khomin pathian ni zan thleng hun man ani Agartala Korbot Sain March ni somni pasari khan Agartala COBL chunga missionary soldier of cross le helper te pualin retreat buat sai ani a bial chunga missionary te antel kim thei ani he hun hi Major Emmanuel Mahapatra le Major Sunita Mahapatra Jiribam CO te nu pa in an manpuya district officer Major Lal Sangliana le Captain S Lalrampuya DYO ten an manpui bok ani ole khati zong khatun kar chunga Salvation Army chanchin thar kan ngai thlak ho thei te chu ani